Okay, so now we are going to start with the second problem. What second problem says? The radius of the first orbit of the hydrogen atom is 0.5 angstrom. The electron moves in an orbit with a uniform speed of 2.2 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second. Calculate the equivalent current and the equivalent dipole moment. The magnetic field produced at the center of the nucleus due to the motion of the electron. Now here they have given us that hydrogen atom have a radius of 0.5 angstrom. So that 0.5 angstrom can be written as 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter, and velocity they have given, that is 2.2 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter per second. We need to calculate the current. So current, when we need to calculate, before calculating the current, I should know the time period. How I can calculate the time period? Here they are talking about the revolution. You remember that time period formula we already have. So here I can write here 2 pi r upon v. So what is the value of 2 into pi is will be 22 by 7. What is the value of r? R is 0.5 into 10 to the power minus of 10. Correct? Now V value I have 2.2 into 10 to the power 6. After solving this, what I am going to get whole when I am going to solve, I am going to get 1 upon 7 into 10 to the power of minus 15 second. This will be my answer, that is for the time period. Okay, when I have calculated my time period, what I am going to do is I am going to substitute here. So charge value already we know, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. What is the value of time period? 1 upon 7. So 7 will go up, and here we are only going to left with minus of 15. So after solving this, we have to calculate the current. It means we are going to calculating after solving this, we are going to get the value of current, that will be 1.22 into 10 to the power minus of 3 ampere. This will be the current value. Okay. Now we have to calculate the dipole moment. So what is the formula for dipole moment? M is equals to IA. Okay, so what is the value of I? 1.22 into 10 to the power minus 3. A is nothing, if you remember, A is equals to pi r square. So what is the A? Pi will be 22 by 7. What is R? R already we have, that is 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 10 whole square. This will be the dipole moment. So after solving, you can calculate the dipole moment value also. So what we are going to get after solving this, dipole moment will come as 8.8 into 10 to the power minus of 24, okay, ampere meter square. We are going to get this value for the dipole moment. Okay, now we need to calculate the magnetic field. So magnetic field formula at the center we need to calculate. So again it will be mu naught I upon 2r. So what will be the answer? You have the value of mu naught, we have the value of I, we have the value of 2, we have the value of r. So substitute. This value will be what? 4 pi into 10 to the power minus of 7. I value we have 1.22 into 10 to the power minus of 3. What is the value of R? R value we already have, that is 0.5 into 10 to the power minus of 10. So the magnetic field we are going to get, that is 14.07 Tesla. This will be the answer. So this way you can do. See, this is one of the most important problem which they used to ask. So these formulas you have to keep it in mind while solving such problems. You have to practice more and more problem. Only we are discussing 2 or 3 problems for developing the concept. So I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.